So we are going to be talking about the other rule of simple algebra. Okay, the first rule I told us that you cannot add, subtract, and divide different alphabet. When the alphabets are not the same, you cannot add, subtract, and divide them, but you can only multiply them. All right. Now, the second rule is saying that you can only add, subtract, divide, and also multiply alphabets that are the same. Okay, you can only add, subtract, divide, and multiply alphabets that are the same. Okay, so let's attend these questions on the board. Number one says 5a plus a. Okay, now let us make the alphabets a substance. Okay, a thing. Now let's say the a is a marker. A is a marker. So if a is a marker and there's 5 here, it means 5 markers. Okay, then if it is 1a here, it means the marker is what? 1. You know, I will not write 1 in front of the alphabet. You don't write 1 in front of an alphabet. Okay, so the alphabet signifies just 1. Okay, so no need of writing 1 here. Okay, so this is 5 markers plus 1 marker. Okay, so if you have 5 markers and you have another marker, okay, so when you add them together, what will it be? It will be what? 6 markers. 6a. Is not true? It's 6a. All right, the number 2 is minus 3 marker plus 8 markers. Okay, I told us in our previous lesson that whenever I see minus, okay, with a number, you assume that number to be a number you are owing. So minus 3 markers, meaning that you are owing 3 markers, and plus 8 markers. Plus means it is your own. Okay, so where you are owing 3 markers, now you have 8 markers. You go and pay, okay, you go and pay back the 3 markers you are owing. So when you give them the tray, what you'll be left with is 5, okay, markers. Is it 5 markers that you are not owing? You are not owing again. Okay, so that is that. The next question is what? Minus 4x minus 7x. You are owing 4 markers. You are still owing 7 markers. It means that you are still owing how many markers now? 11, okay, markers. Are you getting it? That means you are owing 11 markers. Okay. Okay, the next question is 8 markers minus 9 markers. 8 marker means there's no minus here, so it means you have 8 markers, but you are owing 9 markers. So where you are owing 9 markers, but now you have 8 markers, you go and pay. You can pay back the markers. So by the time you give the person you are owing 8 markers, the 8 you have, of course you still be owing. So how many? 1. You'll be owing 1 marker. Okay, so you will not write minus 1 marker or minus 1m. It's not correct. The marker, the m here, the alphabet here signifies one of it. So there's no point putting 1 there. So the answer will just be minus what? M. Okay, or minus what? Marker, 1 marker. This is 1 marker, but I will not write 1 here. Okay, so this is the answer. Don't write 1 and the alphabet. All right, so 8m minus 9m is what? Minus m. Okay, that is how it is. So the last one is 2 markers minus 7 markers plus 4 markers. Now what it means is you have 2 markers, but you are owing 7 markers. So if you were owing 7 markers and now you have 2 markers, when you pay, you will still be owing 5. That is minus 5 marker. It's not true? Now minus 5 marker plus 4 marker. Okay, you are owing 5 now. Now you have another 4. So when you give the 4 that you have to the person you are owing 5 markers, okay, what will be left is what? 1 marker that you are owing. You are still owing 1 marker. So because you are owing, you put a minus sign and then the marker, that is the B. So 2B minus 7B plus 4B is what? Minus B. I told us don't put 1B. Okay, so this is the answer. Are you getting? It's not simple. Now for division, okay, let's say you have A divided by A. Now you can see that the alphabets are the same. It means you can divide. So you have 1A and you are giving that 1A to one person. Okay, so how many A will this A take? You are sharing this 1A to this A. So if you give him this 1A, how many A will he take? It's just 1. So you write 1. Okay, it's 1. Don't say it's A. Okay, we are counting. Division means we are counting the number of, okay, the number of items shared. So I have 1A and I give to this A here. So what this A will take is what? 1 of it. So I'll just write 1. So A divided by A is what? 1. Okay, now let's make it, let's do another one. Number 2, if I have B raised to power 3 divided by B, okay, raised to power 2. Now what this implies is, okay, you have B raised to power 3, meaning B times B, okay, times B, okay, then divided by B raised to power 2 mean B times B or BB, okay. So here 1 of B would cancel 1 of this, okay, 1 of this will cancel what? 1 of this, okay, and we'll be left with what? Just 1 B, okay, 1 of the B will be left, okay. So B raised to power 3 divided by B raised to power 2 is what? B. Now you see, because they are the same, because the alphabets are the same, you can divide, okay. But what about for multiplication? What about multiplication of alphabets? Now look at it, that are the same. If you have A times A times, okay, A. So how many A are here? 1, 2, 3. How many alphabets are involved? Just 1 A. Okay, A is the only alphabet involved. Okay, so how many times, how many A are here? 1, 2, 3. Just write 3 on top. Very simple. Okay, even if they are different, okay, even if they are different, like if you have A times B times C times C times A times B, okay, times A, okay, I seen it. Now even if you have something like this and you are asked to multiply it, I told you before, just write down the alphabets that are involved. What are the alphabets that are involved? We have A there, we have B, and we have C. Then you count how many A's are in the question. We have 1, we have 2, and we have 3. So we'll come to A and put on top of the A 3. Then we count B. How many B's are here? 1, 2, just 2. Okay, so we'll come here and write 2 on top of B as power. Okay, what about C? How many C? 1, 2. Okay, so write 2 on it. Okay, so that is how we multiply alphabet. Okay.